Hi guys, I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the work due on this Friday, and it's the peer review. So you've already turned in your rough draft to a space for Wednesday, and I want you to submit your rough draft as a new thread, and I'll show you that in a minute. But what you will do is that you will grade using the peer review essay. So over here, I want you to give a score out of 6, for example, and tell them why you gave them a score out of 6. So the thesis statement that everyone should have is I have a growth mindset or I have a fixed mindset. It shouldn't be any combination of the two. Organization, meaning did they follow the outline? Do they have every part of the outline that they need? Grammar, if you're not a great grammarian, do your best. Did you see anything that was really crazy like capitalization errors or run-on sentences or things like that? Supporting evidence, I want you to tell me, did they, for each example, let's say they said, I have a growth mindset because I think people can change. Did they develop in 1 or 2 paragraphs examples of this or a detailed example? Formatting, do they have everything that they need to have? Is it double spaced, 12-point font, Times New Roman? And give them a score for each section. Once you've done that, I want you to save it as a Word document and I want you to submit it. So if we click on this, you can see some people have already done it. So wonderful. Thank you for those people. That you will create a thread. You will attach it using this. So you could, choose anything that you wanted to, and you'll attach it. Okay. And then once you've done that, let's say somebody wants to go to Ethan's paper and they can click reply. They will have looked at Ethan's paper attached, and then they will attach their own graded paper for the peer review. And that is it. It's going to be easy points to get those back, but a generous amount of points, roughly the amount of points that were on the rubric. So that is what is due on Friday, and the Wednesday when we return from Labor Day, the final draft of your paper will be due. As always, if you have questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you so much.